Listen here, kid. I know you're afraid, but don't even think about being afraid. I'm a lampo shrink. We'll have some fun, but before we have that, would you like to eat cake? Before you need to think about being afraid, you must be cut up in pieces and bones and shattered bones. Come into the lamppost with me. You must